'cause I'm a fool for your love.
Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing this super fun like peachy bronzy summery look. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so starting off I'm going to be priming my eyes. I'm going to be using the P. Louise Mama Mitchell blank canvas and the original P. Louise base. This is in Rumor 3. I like to mix these together because this one is really thick and opaque and this one is a lot more liquidy and thin, and I feel like mixed together they make like the perfect consistency. So I'm going to make a little mixture of those two. Obviously you could just do, you know, either one, but this one is kind of a little too thick to just use on its own all over the lid. I like to use that one just to like cut the crease. And sometimes I find the original P. Louise base, just like I said, a little bit too wet, so I like to just mix the two together. Since we're going to be using some brighter colors, I don't want to mess up my foundation because I did already do that. So to protect my under eye area from getting any fallout, I'm just going to apply a light layer of powder here. I'm just using the Anastsia translucent powder, and that way if I do get any product on the under eye area, when I go to dust this away, it will kind of just dust away with it and it won't stain my under eye. Okay, so we're going to be doing like a peachy orangey look. So I'm going to start off with the color No Joke by the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette by Morphe. I just want to add a little bit of yellow in there just to make sure everything blends really nicely, and yellow obviously goes nice with like peachy orangey tones. So I'm just going to apply that into my crease. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is My Man. It's like a very vibrant orange, basically. It's like a corally orange. I think it's really cool. I don't know if I've used this color before, so we're gonna try it out today. And I did switch to like a smaller little white-haired brush. By the way, the brushes that I'm using are by this brand right here. I'll put it on the screen. And I do have a discount code with them for 15% off. So if you're interested, check the brushes out. They're amazing. They have all different kinds. They have more professional, like real haired brushes, and then they have a lot of vegan options as well. So check them out. But yeah, anyways, I'm just going to go in with this color now. And this is going to stay kind of directly into the crease. Not going to blend this one up too far because I do want to see that yellow a little bit. I'm going to go back in with the yellow shade and just blend that My Man color out a little bit. Now I'm going to tone things down a little bit, and I'm going to go in with this color here, which is called Thick Skin. It's just like a deeper orangey brown color, and I'm going to apply that, kind of keeping it on the, I think I'm going to keep this on the outer corner. Actually, no, I lied. We're going to bring it throughout the whole crease where we put the other two shades, because I kind of like how these two colors are layering on each other. This color is just kind of toning down that really bright orange and making it just a little bit more wearable. I mean, I know not a lot of people would wear a look like this out, but I know a lot of people would, so it just depends on your style. Okay, now I'm going to take the NYX Pigment Primer. I use this all the time, I know, but I really do like this product. So I'm going to apply this on my lid in basically the shape of like a half cut crease. I'm not going to go all the way through. I'm probably going to stop right about here. But then we're actually going to be applying this, which is a blush by Benefit. It's the newest shade of their blushes in the shade Georgia. This is what kind of inspired me for this look. It's a really nice shimmery peachy blush, perfect for summer, and we're going to be using this on our cheeks, so I thought why not use it on our eyes as well. I'm actually going to do one eye at a time just because I don't want this to dry too much. So I'm going to take the blush and I think I'm going to start off with a brush. If I don't like how it's applying with the brush, I'll go in with my finger, but we'll start off with a brush. This isn't going to be like super duper pigmented just because it is a blush, but I'm going to be applying something else on top of it. So basically this is like our base color. Now I'm going to take this color here, which is called Homebody, and this is going to go on the outer corner, and I'm going to blend it into the lid shade that we just put, the blush. And then once I apply this shade, I'll be able to dust off this baking powder. I'm just going to take a little bit of the blush on my finger, and I'm just going to apply it to the center of the eye. Just because I took that one color a little bit too far over, so I want to make sure that I kind of fix that. Okay, now I'm going to be applying this MAC Dazzle shadow. So this is a liquid eyeshadow, and this is going to be going on top of the lid shade to make it pop a lot more. I like that we have this peachy base underneath, but I just want it to be a little bit more dramatic and a little bit more vivid. So this is really gonna help. So this is the Dazzle shadow in Everyday is Sunshine, and it has a lot of like different flecks in it, but it has a lot of peachy flecks, which is why I feel like this will go really nicely with this look. So I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand instead of applying it directly to my eye. I don't really like to do that. With these shadows, I feel like I get a better application when I go in with a brush, because sometimes these sponge tip applicators just pick up too much product and it gets like clumpy. So I'm just gonna take my brush and just kind of work that product into my brush. I'm gonna apply that onto my lid. And you can see pretty much right away that it does make a big difference. And just, I don't know, it just looks better, I think, than this side. So, okay, now I'm going to apply some black liquid liner. I'm just going to use the NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm going to do a wing. And then I think I'm going to also go in with this white eyeliner as well. But okay, so I'm gonna take the Suva Beauty Space Panda Hydra Liner, and I'm going to, if you've never used these before, you just have to activate them with water. So I'm just gonna spray some water directly into the little container, and you just wanna mix it around until you get a nice white eyeliner, basically. I'm just gonna take some off on the cap, I don't want like too much on the brush. And I'm just basically going to trace the black eyeliner that we just did. And you're gonna want a really thin eyeliner brush for this. It's gonna make it a lot easier. And it's okay if you mess up, because we'll go back in with the black just to fix everything. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back in with the black and just clean up just so the line is super crisp. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take this Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil, and this is in the shade Striking Copper, and I'm gonna apply that to my waterline. I'm going to take the color Homebody and apply that to my lash line. I'm gonna actually bring this color like up right underneath the liner. And I'm going to take the My Man color. That's gonna go on the lower lash line as well. Then I'm going to take that yellow shade and I'm going to apply that just to blend everything out. For the inner corner highlight, I'm actually going to take this Nomad Cosmetics palette in Sydney Bathers. And I'm going to take this highlighting shade right there. And that is going to be my inner corner highlight. Okay, so I'm gonna apply some mascara and apply some false lashes. The ones I'm going to apply, I honestly do not know the name of them. I just had them in my drawer. I've worn them before, but any false lashes will do. And then I'll come back and finish the face and lips with you guys. Okay, so I just filmed the whole blush section and I completely just didn't even realize there was music playing in the background because while I was off camera, I was listening to music and I forgot to turn it off. So, and if I just upload it with that in the background, I'll get copyrighted. So, for blush, what I did was I applied a little bit of a coral blush, just a matte coral blush first to give my cheeks a little bit of color and act as a base for this Georgia blush, because the Georgia blush is a really like shimmery peachy color. I kind of use this as a blush topper. I like to have that coral peachy base underneath and then apply this on top, and it just gives you that really pretty peachy sheen. And what's really nice about this blush is you can bring it up pretty far because of the fact that it is shimmery. It's kind of like a blush and highlighter in one. I did go in with a separate highlighter, but I just kind of brought this all the way up through here, put up some on my nose, and then I applied a little bit of this highlight right here from the palette that we used before, that Nomad palette, because I feel like it complements the peachy like tones really nicely. So that's what we did for blush, and now for lips to finish everything off. We're gonna stick with the peachy theme, and I'm going to go in with Luna Lip Liner by Makiage. Then I'm going to take this color Orange Blossom by Anastsia, Beverly Hills. That's pretty. And I'm going to apply that. It's like a shimmery coral basically. Then I'm gonna go in with Myth Lipglass by MAC just to apply a gloss on top. And that is like the perfect peachy summery lip. Okay, you guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you like this super like warm, peachy, bronzy skin summer look. Yeah, I feel like this look definitely screams summer and it's super fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't already and subscribe, join the family. So yeah, thanks so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.